Welcome HubSpot heroes. Today I'll teach you how to use HubSpot effortlessly. Let's learn how to manage documents in HubSpot in less than 59 seconds. So I'm sure you have plenty of documents in your download folder, in your screenshot folders, on your Drive, on Google Drive, on Dropbox, everywhere, and this is a mess. Don't lie to me, I'm sure you have that because I do have that. But you need to upload this document inside HubSpot. So one, you don't lose them and you know how to find them. You can access to this file from any emails in your HubSpot for any users. And you can also limit some documents to different users and teams. And the third, you can track who read the document, who viewed the document, and you can see that on the contact activity timeline. So let's dive in. So head to your HubSpot, go to the library, then you click on documents. And here you will see all your documents you uploaded into HubSpot. So you click on upload document here, and you can upload document from your computer, existing file in HubSpot, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. So if I click on computer, and now I can select my ebook and click on open. It's loaded successfully. I do have my document hosted on HubSpot right now. I can click on description if I want to add some description. So right now there is no description, so I can click on document details page. And here you see you have different things to do. So you can add a description. You can use now Breeze for that. You can turn on data privacy. You can see how many links you created, visitors, people who viewed. So you can create a link to share it. So I click on create link. So for example, I will enter contact@hublead.io, create link. And now I have a link. So you can copy that link and put it online on your blog or whatever you want. So the tracking of the views will be associated to this contact email. But let's say you have this email, it's your marketing email. It won't matter for you if the tracking is not very good. But you can also compose an email and you can send directly an email to contact@hublead.io. You can click on documents and select your ebook and you will have your ebook over there. And it's mainly hosted on this link. So if I go back to document, click on cross, you have here different actions. So you can preview, download, delete, you can re-upload, or you can do what we did before, create a link. The menu, if I go back to the view, I can see I have also the create link, download, move, and manage sharing if you want to share across your company to specific users, specific teams. And if I click on preview, I will see how people will see my ebook. You can also add your logo over there. You can download here. You can remove all pages if you don't want to see on the right side. And people can see the next page by clicking on this. So I hope this tutorial helps you to better understand how to manage your HubSpot documents and save many time for your team. If you really like this video, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like that. And until next time, see you to the next video.